Hey, this is Crystal, and this is part 2 of making a decorative plaster mould with soft plastics. Now that you've got your plaster mould, I'm going to walk you through how to create your relief with soft plastics. What you'll need is a baking tray, some baking paper, some heat-proof and chemical-proof gloves, a block of wood, some plastic, some soft plastic, usually plastic bags. I'm using some offcuts that I'd had from another project, a respirator mask, and an oven. And we're all set. So to begin, what we're going to do is set our oven to 150 degrees so that we have time for the oven to warm up. We're going to start with our baking tray. We're going to lay our baking paper on top and the plastic that we're going to reuse. The best plastic for these decorative pieces are light plastics, so it's easier to see the design that you've created. Once the oven has preheated, place your plastic on the baking tray into the oven and let sit for approximately an hour to 2 hours. You'll know that it's ready when the plastic becomes dough-like and sticky. Once it's out of the oven, you've got your gloves on. You can take the plastic off the baking paper and place it over top of your decorative mould. You can push the plastic down by placing your baking paper on top of your plastic and pressing down with your board. Alternatively, if you have a compressor, you are more than welcome to press your plastic into your mold that way. Leave the plastic to cool for about an hour. Finally, once it's fully cooled, you can peel the plaster off the plastic and reveal your design. And ta-da! Here's our final result. As you can see, light colours really work with the patterning of the leaf and allow you to see the design a little bit better. So for finishing, if there are parts of your design that you can't see, you can use a Dremel or a small electric drill to polish the edges of each of your leaves to make them stand out a little bit more. So I'm using just a plastic brush buffer. I try and avoid this because I don't want to make any more microplastics than I have to. So what I'm going to show you now is if you'd like to hang your design. If you've got a brick wall like me, I'm going to show you a really easy way to hang it and also how to hang it like a picture frame. So for those things you'll need a drill, some wire cutters, 2 D-rings, 2 screws and some wire. And you'll need 1 simple screw. So the easiest way to do this is to center your screw in the middle of your plastic and drill it in. Make sure it doesn't come out the other end. And then you're ready to hang. The next way to do this as a picture frame, position your D-rings in the right spot, equally apart from each other and from the sides of your plastic. You want to get it probably 1/3 down from the top of your relief. Screw both of the D-rings in and then thread your wire through the first ring and tie a knot by twirling the wire around itself. Measure the length that you need and cut the wire. Now repeat the same knot on the other side. And as you can see, if you've got a screw in the wall, it will hold on the screw. So I did a really simple relief today, but you can get really creative and try heaps of different designs and heaps of different decorative placements and colours. Thanks for coming on this creative journey with me. I'd love to see what you come up with. Bye!